Now understand that you'd have the option between sketch and design or 3D um 3D drawing, right? 3D design or modeling. But so I just did this one. Now we're going to do this one. Even though you do either one, I'm going to do all of them so you would understand how to approach them. So all of this, you can find these in your textbook, Technical Drawing Book 2. All of these symbols and the acronyms and the drawings for these are there. But let's say you don't have access to the book at the time. Off the top of my head, I can find counterbore and countersink and make sketches for them without even trying. This is how I do it. I'd go on the internet, search counterbore and countersink, and find a picture, sectional picture that represents it. And this would be one perfect example right here. So I'd copy, shoot, copy, image, go to CAD, Control V, paste. And now, because it's sketch and design, all I'd have to do is just retrace. So boom, like draw there. We'll do it like that. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So I'm just retracing all of this just to get it. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Quite simple. Couldn't want it any easier. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. And center line in, all the way down, center line in. So we see that this one is counterbore, this one is countersink, and we're completing this really fast. So reproduce this up here. It just asked for a sectional drawing, so it never needed to put a plan, but just to make things a little bit more, like, it never hurts to do more, it always hurts to do less. That's always my philosophy. You do more, people understand that, yeah, this nigga understand what am I doing, and boss you, or this person. I shouldn't use that term here. Alright, sorry. This person understands what he or she is doing. Yes. And so, drawing the section line now. Boom. Yeah. Alright, so basically we can move this now. Delete the picture. Alright, not to delete, just move it. Boom. And then copy this. Move this. Copy. There, there. And being that it's a sketch, it does not necessarily have to be extremely perfect, but you want it to be proportional and make sense. So this will be a section line, so I can change it to section line, section, thin plane. I'll just use center line for now. Boom. This is our center line, are the same, so change the scale, line type scale to 15. Looks more like a center line. Then match properties, change these two, good. And then this is countersink, counterbore. So I can enter around hatches now. Hatch. Boom. Hatch. Alright, this hatch is too dark. It needs to increase the scale here. So we increase the scale. It's too tightly packed together, so we widen the space between the 45-degree lines by increasing the scale. That looks like it. There, there. Boom. So we can name them now. Just copy the text that we have here. Copy. As a matter of fact, nope. Let me show you exactly what to do. Use leader line. Let's be creative here. Yes. Point on this one. Call this counter bore. Counter bore is basically where you use a drill bit to bore the hole before you enter the screw, so the screw head goes down into the material. While countersink is using the screw itself. Countersink comes from the property of a screw to find itself down into the material and flush itself into the material. So you'll use a drill bit to make this one, and this one you allow the top of the screw to make its way down into the material. So counter bore. We can't see anything because it's too small, so we properties increase the scale. Arrowhead, make that 15, enter. Text height, where is that height? Arrowhead, text, arrowhead, text, height, right. So we reduce that to 15, and there you go. So you can copy this one, paste it here. So the way move it around, right. This one is counter sink. And that's it for counter sink and counter bore. Now we want to label it question 4. Question 4. And this is sketch and design. Alright. Now the questions are question also asks for internal screw thread, blind tap hole, and through tap hole. So blind tap hole and through tap hole. Okay, that's not working. Blind tap hole and through tap hole. Alright. So blind tap and through tap. Is it through or threaded? Through. Okay. Okay. The tap, I guess, is the thing that makes threading in a material. Yes, these are taps. Do they make threads? Images. Hole. Okay, here we go. So we have an image of it right here. Blind tap and through tap. So we can make a sectional drawing of these. So you see that blind tap is one that stops halfway and through tap goes all the way through. Alright. Let's see if I can find one that's 22. let's just use this one then. So blind tap hole and through tap hole, we just reproduce these joints, use this area as the hatch area, and for what's the next one? Internal screw thread. Internal screw thread. And internal screw thread. And this is what internal screw threads looks like. Here, here, here. So these are comparison. External thread, internal thread. So we can do that. Copy image. Boom. Boom. Paste it there. Resize it accordingly. And then just produce the drawing like that. So for internal screw thread, I'll just rectangle. Boom. Then start forming these lines here. Alright, so we go again from this side. And then connect these points. We can move the picture now. Move it out of the way. And this is what we have. We connect all the Alright, and that's basically what a sketch looks like in CAD. You just reproduce the thing according to how you understand it being seeming or looking. This would be internal screw thread. Third. And this would be the solution for question 2 with these ones.